equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your Dell Latitude 7440 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the screen connectors. Disconnect the battery first for safety. Then, carefully detach the screen cable. Inspect the screen for any damage. If you see cracks or other issues, it's time for a replacement. Now, take your new screen and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure it's secure. Reattach the battery and close the back panel, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. For a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Enjoy your newly replaced screen. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.